Fail. Welkom behind the scenes.
Never trust MV Agusta, mate. Especially their mechanics. 120 pounds per hour. How do you feel about that? I'm not feeling nothing.
Like I can buy a lot of makeup for that money.
Yeah. This one is the new one. The new old one, actually. Thing is, I already put 1 liter of the coolant inside here. But since the bike is off and we can't really see the level there, because if you are putting liquid on a lower level, you can't find liquid there without pressure. And the manual from MV says that if the level is too low, you actually need to unscrew this thing here and add liquid from here until you hit at least the minimum level. So now a bit of engineering, because I don't have such a funnel or tube to actually connect to this hole here. I'll update you a bit later with my invention. Actually not my invention, but Kali's invention. Anyway, talk to you later. It's going in!